How to use Grando UV DTF GD600 Super. Load film A on the back, remove the protective film. Fix the protective film on the paper rod. The side with glue up on the printing platform. Load film B on the bracket. Thread film A through the red rubber roll. It can be used to fix and heat film when printing. After loading, please press the power button on the right and preheat button on the left before printing. The rubber roll is heating to 80 degrees now. Cover the film B onto the rubber roller. Adjust the film B. Press the Adjust button. Raise and down the rubber roller. Adjust film B and A. Make sure they are laminated smoothly. Double check and adjust. Connect computer. Start printing. Cut off the stickers. Remove the white film A first. Paste on the item. Press firmly. Ensure complete adhesion. Remove the film B. Perfect effect. Each Grando GD600 Super UV DTF support one water cooling machine and one compressor machine. Welcome contact if you have interest.